Good day viewers, how to stop auto opening apps on your PC that I guess are giving you headache. So what you do, you come here at the bottom search bar and search for task manager and hit enter. This is the task manager, so tap here to open it. Once you reach here, look for and click on startup option, which is here up, and you will see all the applications that are enabled and disabled on your PC. Those that automatically open on your PC means they are enabled, so what you need to do is to disable them. Like for my case, I want to disable this one called as Madava, an antivirus application. It disturbs me a lot when I open my laptop. It immediately opens, and closing it gives me a hard time. So I want to disable it, and to do so, I will right click and the option of disabling it will show up. So click on disable and voila, it is disabled. That's how you basically stop or disable all the other applications that you don't want to be auto opening on your PC. The same goes to when you want to allow or enable such applications. Right click and the option will be available. That's it for today, guys. Subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell icon and share it to your colleagues. Until next time, peace.